The sampling of from a location scale family fx comma theta comma sigma is 1 by sigma f of x minus theta by sigma. So which one of the following is a pivot? So pivot is nothing but a function of observed data and unknown parameters whose probability distribution does not depend on those unknown parameters. So that means if we consider option 1, so option 1 is x bar minus theta. So x bar minus theta is clearly dependent on this sigma because x bar is not scale invariant. So if we consider the second option, x2 plus x1 minus 2 theta, so here also it is dependent on the sigma because like we don't know about the scale parameter there. Now if we see the third option for n is equals to 2, this would have become a special form, but the denominator involves like both parameters, and even the numerator, in the numerator the coefficient of theta is 2 rather than 1. So that means it is not matching our pivotal form. So the correct option would be option D, because we can also see it in this way. So like if xi has the above distribution, so the distribution, so the pivotal statistics, like for example g of x1 x2 and so on minus a times theta by b times sigma, so this does not depend on theta or sigma. So if we take the numerator is centered at location theta and scaled with sigma. Now when we divide by this denominator s, so that is like scale equivalent here. So if we consider x1 plus x2 minus 2 theta, so this is centered at location theta and this will have the scaled with this sigma. So now like if we consider the denominator s is nothing but, so when we divide by s, so s is nothing but our scale equivalent here. So therefore like dividing this numerator by this s, so this removes the dependence on sigma. Therefore option D does not depend on either of the parameter. So it is the correct option for pivot. So basically we standardize this by s and it is centered at theta. So its distribution is free from both theta and sigma. And so that's how like it is making it suitable for either constructing this confidence intervals or hypothesis testing in this location scale families.